Hello, everybody. I'm Thor Larson. I'm one of your fellow students in the Business 250 course, Web Business Creation. And this is my week 14 project. I'm going to show you my website that I designed and hope I will make money off of someday. So as you see here, this is my website, smartfoodsbythor.com. Designed it using WordPress. This is the front page. Some of the things that I offer are vegan recipes because I am an aspiring vegan. I still cheat a little bit, sorry, but I try. And I don't have that many recipes right now, but it is growing. Let me show you where I will be making money on this page. It is under the shop, and you will see here that I have products that I sell. These are Amazon products. I am an Amazon affiliate. Now I'm going to prove to you that I really am using Amazon affiliate links and that these are not just plain old Joe Schmo Amazon links to products. You see right here, with all of this mess, right in the middle, tag equals Smart Foods by T. That is my Amazon associate store name. So anyway, that having been said, this is my moneymaker page. Again, there are not many products that I have reviewed. It was a busy semester. I hope you understand. I'm sure that you all do. But this is something that I plan to continue and want to grow as I, uh, as time goes on. Now, let me show you just some of the things that I used to market my site and to make it and hope I can make it successful using these tools later on. Right here is Google Analytics. This is my Google Analytics page. You will see the views that I had. This is what all done during the time when I was running my ad campaign on Google Ads. Um, yeah, if I had spent a little bit more money and had a little bit more sophisticated website, I probably would have had more users and I wouldn't have had such a lousy bounce rate. But so it goes. I've learned and I will keep at it over time. Alas, US is really the only place where I have users from. That's the only place I marketed to. And then one thing else I want to show you is my Google Ads campaign. You'll see it here. Clicks, impressions, measure of all the traffic that I had over my campaign period. It was a really fun class, and I just wish that I wouldn't have had such a busy semester. I had another class take up a lot of time, and I wish I could have put more time into this and had a little bit more fun with it. Um, but that's the way it is now. I'm glad that it's over. I hope you'll visit my site, and I hope that you will enjoy it and enjoy eating as much as I do. Thank you very much.